How's it going, Jerome? Feeling good?
How are you doing?
Feeling good, man. Got some beautiful gear over here, buddy.
Those are ties. These are mine. Team Axial screws.
Nice. Let's get a look at that.
6 minutes, Dougie Fresh. 6 minutes.
Probably have it like that. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Easy.
That way you got the stop. Is that? Yeah. Did you see all of them? They're fucking like a bunch, dude. How's it going?
Not too bad yourself.
Good. Hey. Hey, hey. You guys have been doing an amazing race here. Just want to say that. Can't emphasize that enough. Super fun. This is all the raffle stuff. The Hubble Bubble frames.
Is that what it's called?
The official name is the Hubble Bubble.
Ah.
Wink, wink. I'm trying to submit the name of your frame as the Hubble Bubble. You're okay with that?
Heard it all.
It's the best frame out here.
You can call it the Jeffrey Giraffe.
I was gonna say the Jeffrey Dahmer.
Yeah. No.
Because it eats motherfuckers up on the course.
Right.
This is it. Gotta go on this one. We're making it happen.